swarms of bees? Psh, nah, bee. How do swarms of kite-like airborne turbines at enormous heights, sending high amounts of energy to the ground sound fresh, right? Well, this world is gonna be chock full of them soon.
How long did it take to build?
Oh gosh, I hope there's enough time to build them. So we better get started. But first, we can examine all the facts that go into these new source of wind farms. Let's go!
Yo, it's your boy Moody Mood. So what's the dealio with flying wind farms? So NASA engineer Mark Bourne outlined all of his ideas to see the practicality of airborne wind farms. His research is aimed toward finding out the challenges faced with this new and innovative technology. When they're 30,000 feet in the air, it's going to have significant challenges. But first, let's find out how they turn on.
I shake it off, I shake it off, I shake it off.
Mark.
Oh, what are you doing in the bathroom?
Don't worry about that. Anyways, you have a presentation to give.
Oh, golly. So far, skippity bap, prototypes have been developed in Italy to operate at 2,600 feet. They're planned to be much higher for testing reasons, but they started low. They operate by having wind spin them high into the air to generate power. It uses two kite-like turbines. Basically, one moves downwards while the wind takes the other. This spins a turbine on the ground. You don't need a nutrition class to understand this one, but you might miss school for over half the week.
Josh was supposed to do a skit, but we can't find him. Let's check in here.
Oh. Yeah, we are here trying to explain that to get the most use out of these things as possible, they need to be high. Like, really, 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 really high. At these frickin' high altitudes, wind has more power and velocity and is more consistently predictable. This allows for more energy to be generated. They'll just be flying there, menacingly. They also are easily accessible through tethers to be taken down for severe weather and maintenance. What's really nice is they create less pollution and don't take up precious ground space. My precious, precious ground space.
There's a lot of problems with this, kind of like a rich person in the projects. There might be problems with traffic because they require 2 miles no-fly zone. A way to overcome this could be possibly stationing them offshore. This project requires government intervention because of the sharing of airspace, land, and acquiring the technology. Government involvement will make this a more viable option for a new source of energy.